Let's get this access denied error on ChatGPT fixed right now so you can get back to your work. This issue usually happens because OpenAI blocks certain network traffic, or your browser is holding on to an old, broken session. The first and most common culprit is your connection, specifically if you use a VPN or a proxy extension. If you have a VPN running on your computer or an active proxy in your browser settings, you need to go ahead and switch it completely off. The important thing is that OpenAI actively monitors and blocks these services to prevent automated bots from spamming their servers. Now, that goes both ways. Turning off your VPN secures your access to ChatGPT, but it also means your web browsing traffic is no longer hidden or encrypted on that network. If disabling that does not solve it, the problem is likely a corrupted cookie in your browser. Move your mouse up to the address bar where it says chat.openai.com. Click on the small padlock or settings icon right next to the URL and click on Site Settings. From there, look for the option to clear data and delete the cookies and cache specifically for this site. In my case, doing this forces the website to completely refresh its connection to the servers. Keep in mind the trade-off here, as clearing this data will instantly log you out of your account, meaning you must remember your password to sign back in. Once cleared, refresh the page. Type in your login details and try opening a chat. If you are still blocked, a hidden browser extension might be interfering behind the scenes. Go to your browser menu in the top right corner and open a new Incognito or private browsing window. Type the address back in and try logging in from there. If it works perfectly in private mode, it means one of your standard extensions is causing the block, and you will need to go to your extensions manager and toggle them off one by one to find the broken one. When all else fails, your entire internet network might be temporarily rate limited by OpenAI. To bypass this, disconnect your device from your current Wi-Fi network and connect to a different one. Or turn on your mobile phone hotspot and link your computer to that data instead. This changes your digital footprint entirely.